Hello guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna solve the Leetcode problem called TwoSum. So in this problem, what we have to do is find two numbers that add up to the target. So here we can see that 5 plus 3 equals to 8, which is the target. So we have to return the indexes of these numbers. Okay, so let's begin with our first approach. What we can do is for every number inside this array, we can make a loop that checks rest of the array. So I mean that we gonna need two loops. So for one, we will check 5, 6, 3, and 9 and add up them together. If the sum of these add up to the target, then we will return the indexes of these numbers. But the time complexity of this solution will be O of n square because we are checking every number n times. And the space complexity will be O of 1, which is constant. So I have a better approach. What we can do is we can use a hash map. So as we all know that hash map has a lookup time of order of 1. So we can compromise some space from our previous solution to improve our time complexity in our second approach. So let's see. So here is a hash map. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we'll iterate over this array only once, and while iterating we will keep adding every number inside the hash map. And while adding the numbers inside the hash map, we will also be adding their indexes, and we will use a if statement which will check if the target minus the current number, let's call it n, is available in the map already. So if it is available in the map already, then we will simply return the address of that number, which is map target minus 1 minus n and the current index. Let's say it is I. So what I mean is, suppose if a plus b equals to our target, then I can say that a equals to target minus b. So here we are doing the same thing. So target minus n. So if the difference is in the map, then we surely know that we have found two numbers that add up to this target. Okay, so I will write a Python code for this. Okay, so let's write some code. This is a map. Now we're gonna iterate. As I said, we're gonna look up for the difference. So let's subtract target minus current number. Is it in the map? If it's in the map, then simply turn its index, which is also stored in the map, target I. I is the current numbers index. If the target minus current number is not in the map, then we will simply add the current number into the map and its index. The index is I. And lastly, we can return an empty array. Let's run our solution. As you can see, it's pretty efficient, 94%. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.